Here are the advantages. Number 1. Renewable energy source. Geothermal power plants utilize heat from the Earth's core, which is a virtually limitless and renewable resource, unlike fossil fuels. Number 2. Low emissions. Geothermal energy produces very low emissions compared to fossil fuel-based power plants, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Number 3. Minimal land use. Geothermal plants typically require less land area compared to other types of power generation facilities like solar or wind farms. Number 4. Stable and reliable. Geothermal energy is consistent and reliable, providing a steady source of electricity without relying on external factors like weather conditions. Number 5. Long lifespan. Geothermal power plants have a longer lifespan compared to many other types of power plants, providing a stable energy source for decades. Number 6. Economic benefits. Geothermal energy projects can provide economic benefits to local communities through job creation, royalties, and investment in infrastructure.